650. Okay, ay sorry. Thank you. How's your day?
Okay lang.
Very good. Thank you for making business. 650 guys and gals. One lovely morning to each every one of you, even though the sun is not kind of shining, but still our dreams shines bright and our future. Thank you, Lord, for these wonderful blessings. Day 158 of not waiting for a week before I exchange my coins into Philippine peso paper bills. Road to 1 million peso saving challenge. Do the same thing, okay? Earn, save, invest on your own. Not in any networking or in any pyramiding scams. Not too good to be true promises, business transactions, or any business proposals. Avoid that. Otherwise, when you got failed, you will feel upset, sad, devastated, mad, angry, disappointed, or whatever ill feelings that you will have. Your dreams will not prosper and will not push through. So beware and be aware. Afterwards, expand and enjoy. Again, earn and earn, save, save. Bye for now. Road to 1 million plus saving challenge.